Hello and welcome to MADVloggers. I'm your host and host, Amay. In today's quick learn video, we are going to start a series of videos regarding Microsoft Word for beginners. Microsoft Word is a word processing application that can be a part of Microsoft Office Suite or a standalone program installed to your computer. The program can be used to write letters and different types of documents that can include graphics and pictures. These series of videos will also explain how to create a document, how to select a text in a document, how to change text size and font, how to print a document, and how to save a document. So tighten your seatbelts and get ready for these series of videos if you are a beginner in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. So the part 1 of the series, we will learn about how to create a document in Microsoft Word. It can be found in the Start menu under Microsoft Office, or you can simply type in Word under the search bar. Once you type in Word, you will see that the Word application is visible. For it to be visible under the search icon, a computer or a laptop should have a Microsoft Word installed. Follow the step-by-step instructions on how to create a document now. Once you click on the Word application, the application will open up and by default, a blank document will be selected. Click on the blank document and the blank Word document will be loaded. Once the document is loaded, you can see the mouse pointer in the document tells you where you're typing. Wherever the flashing cursor is placed, the letters that you type will be inserted at that point. When you start a blank document, the flashing cursor will be at the start of the document, ready for you to start typing. As you type, the cursor will also move with each letter. This guides you so that you know where the focus is for typing. The mouse can also be used for moving around a document. When the mouse pointer is moved over a text area, the pointer will change from an arrow to a text selected or I-beam icon, as you can see. Move the text select or mouse pointer with your mouse to where you would like to change or add text. Click left-handed mouse button. This will then place the flashing cursor at the point where you would have clicked so that you can edit or insert a text. So for example, I'm using the mouse to put the cursor right next to quick, and now I want to put the cursor right at the end of the sentence that is quick video. So I just click at the end of O character. However, if you don't have a mouse, you can also move around your document using the arrow keys on the keyboard. The arrow keys are usually found at the bottom right side of the laptop, or pressing these arrow keys will move the flashing cursor up a line of text, down a line, or left one character or right one character. Using a combination of keystrokes can also move the cursor further. Example, holding down the control key and pressing the left arrow key will move the cursor one left word, and holding down the control key and pressing one up arrow key will move the cursor to the start of each paragraph. So for example, if I want to move one word, then I would have to press the control key and press the left arrow key so I can move to the left side, skipping one word, and my flash cursor will point to the left side. The same way, if I hit the control key and press the right arrow key, it will come to the end of the sentence. If I want to move one single character at a time, I just have to press the left arrow key or the right arrow key. If I have multiple sentences like this, the, who, so now I have multiple lines. I can use up arrow key to move towards the lines or down arrow key to move whichever line that I want to move to. So with a combination of up and down and left and right arrow keys also, you can navigate through the Word document. So this was the part 1 about how to create a document and insert text. I hope this was useful for you guys. If you like this video, please share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. And please, please, please like this video. There are a lot of videos that are in store and they'll be coming soon. So stay tuned. In the meantime, thank you for watching this video. See you again.